The UV-rated non-metallic quick latch fits half to 4-inch EMT, rigid, IMC, and PVC, and it works just like a pipe hanger. Fast and easy to install, the one-piece quick latch mounts to walls, metal strut, metal studs, and threaded rod. Comparing quick latch to a steel pipe hanger with bolt and nut in the half to 3-inch sizes, quick latch costs the same but saves half a minute per installation. That's about 40 cents a piece. Press down on the conduit to lock it securely in place, and remove it with a screwdriver by lifting the tab. There's no need for a wrench. Arlington's quick latch, the time-saving, easy-to-install substitute for a pipe hanger.